Alright, so now we are at Cantonment Station, touring around. We have Chris and Isaac, and we have Matt Star, and that's all. So I was actually wondering what is this thing, but this clock actually resembles the full circle of the Circle Line with all the stations numbers indicated, and it was CE2 and C1 last time, but now it has changed because of the full circle, which is right in the bottom middle of the circle right now. This is how a newly fully renovated underground of the Tanjong Pagar railway station is like. And we're gonna check out what's over here. So I believe like this is the entrance. We have all of these. Oh, look at all those cars there. Journey 1969, a full 360 view. What amazing, but I'll see about that. And if we go this side right here, I mean like if you look at the walls there, it kind of resembles TEL, although we're a Circle Line. Okay, so now like we're heading to the other end of the entrance. So you have an option to go either there or over here. So, oh look, it's me there. So this is the exhibition of the stage 6. And then that's pretty much about it. We go to the other end over here. And right here is the other side of the station. Right, so this is how everything is like over here. Okay. So here's the sneak peek of the Cantonment Station. Look how impressive it is. I just can't believe that it looks like a old traditional design. That not just the station but resembles the museum of this place. So it's kind of like a old era generations that developed into a Circle Line 6, the Cantonment Station. It's the refurbish of the past of the era of the Tanjong Pagar Railway. So beside me there are two CF1E, coincidentally. So one just left and the other one's behind me right now.